Jai Shri Mataji. Good morning, everyone. Let us all collectively bow down, raise our Kundalini, and put ourselves into a bandhan. Let us all collectively take the three Mahamantras. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunaatmika Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasraya Swamini Moksha Pradayani Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Let us take one mantra to Shri Ganesha, followed by Shri Ganesh Atharvashish. We can place both of our hands on the Mother Earth, or we can have our right hand on the Mother Earth and left hand towards Shri Mataji. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Namaste Ganapataye. Amen. Obeisance to Ganpati, the Lord of the Ganas. Tvameva pratyaksham tatvamasi. You are the manifest primordial principle. Tvameva kevalam kartasi. You alone are the doer. Tvameva kevalam dhartasi. You alone are the supporter of the universe. Tvameva kevalam hartasi. You alone are the destroyer. Tvameva sarvam khalvidam brahmasi. You are verily the all-pervading Brahma. Tvam sakshad-atmasi nityam. You are the manifest eternal self, the Atma. Ritam vachmi. I say what I feel to be right. Satyam vachmi. I speak what is truth. Avatvam mam avavaktaram avashrotaram. Please protect me. Protect the one who utters your name. Protect the one who hears your name. Avadataram avadhataram avanucha namavashishyam. The one who gives, the one who receives, the master and the disciple, please protect. Avapaschatat avapurastat avuttaratat avadakshinatat avachordhvatat avadharatat. Protect me from behind, protect me from the front, protect me from the left, protect me from the right, and protect me from above. Sarvato mam pahi pahi samantat. Please protect me from all directions. Tvam vangmayastvam chinmayaha. You are the spoken and literary word. You are complete Chaitanya, the complete vibrations. Tvam anandamayastvam brahmamayaha. You are complete bliss. You are complete Brahma. Tvam Sachidananda Dvitiyosi. You are absolute truth, awareness and bliss. Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi. You are the manifest Brahma. Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi. You are the knowledge of the science and of the highest truth. Sarvam Jagadidam Tvatto Jayate. All of the creation originates from you. Sarvam Jagadidam Tvattastishtati. All of the creation exists because of you. Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Layameshyati. All of the creation dissolves into you. Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Pratyeti. All of the creation returns to you. Tvam Bhumirapo Nalo Nilo Nabhaha. You are earth, water, fire, air and ether. the five elements. Tvam Chatvari Vak Padani. You are the four parts of the speech. Tvam Gunatrayatitaha. You are beyond the three gunas, the Sattva, Rajo and Tamoguna. Tvam Dehatrayatitaha. You are beyond the gross, the subtle and the casual bodies. Tvam Kalatrayatitaha. You are beyond the three times, the past, the present and the future. Tvam Mooladhar Sthitosi Nityam. You always reside at the Mooladhar Chakra. Tvam Shaktitrayatmakaha. The three Shakti powers reside within you of Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati and Mahakali. Tvam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam. Yogis constantly meditate upon you. Tvam Brahma, Tvam Vishnu, Tvam Rudras, Tvam Indras, Tvam Agnis, Tvam Vayus, Tvam Suryas, Tvam Chandramas, Tvam Brahma Bhur Bhuvah Swarom. You are Brahma, you are Vishnu, you are Shiva, you are Indra, you are fire, you are wind, you are the sun, you are the moon, you are the supreme spirit that pervades the earth, the heaven and the Omkara. Tvam Brahma Bhur Bhuvah Swarom. Ganadim Purvamucharya Varnadim Tadanantaram. First utter the first word of the Gana, which is Ga, followed by the first letter of the alphabet, which is A. Anuswaraha Parataraha Ardhendhulasitam Tarena Ruddham. And finally, the nasal sound of The letter G is crowned by the dotted half-moon symbol as in the Om. Etattava manuswarupam Gakaraha purvarupam. This is the true form of your mantra. The sound G is the first form. Akaro madhyama rupam. The vowel A is in the middle form. Anuswara Shantya Rupam Binduruttara Rupam. And the nasal sound A is the last form, ending with the dot of the nasal sound on top. Nada Sandhanam Sanhita Sandhihi. These combined sounds followed the grammatical rules known as the Sandhi. Saisha Ganesha Vidya Ganaka Rishihi. This is the knowledge of Sri Ganesha, and sage Ganak is the author, the seer. Nishrud Gayatri Chandaha Ganapatir Devata. The meter is mixed Gayatri, and Ganapati is the deity. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Amen. Gang, obeisance to Ganapati. Ekadantaya Vidmahe. We know the God with one tusk. Vakratundaya Dhimahi. We meditate upon the God with curled up trunk. Tanno Danti Prachodayat. May the God with one tusk enlighten us. Ekadantam Chaturhastam. You have one tusk and four arms. Pashamam Kushadharinam. With the upper right hand you wield the noose, and with the upper left the ankush, the elephant hook or the goad. Radham cha vardam hastair bibhranam. With the lower right hand you wield the tusk, and with the lower left you are giving blessings. Mushaka dvajam. A mouse is your emblem. Raktam lambodaram. You are red in complexion and you have a large belly. Shurpakarnakam. Your ears are like winnowing fans. Raktavasasam. You wear red clothes. Raktagandhanu liptangam. Fragrant red sandalwood paste anoints your body. Rakta Pushpai Supujitam. You are auspiciously worshipped with red flowers. Bhaktanukampinam Devam Jagat Karanam Achyutam. You are ever compassionate to your devotees. You are the imperishable origin of the world. Avirabhutam cha srishthyadau. You manifest before creation. Prakrute Purusharth Param. You are beyond the supreme Prakriti, the creative energy of Sri Adi Shakti, and the Purusha, the primordial spirit of Sri Sadashiva. Evam dhyayati yo nityam sa yogi yoginam varaha. In this way, the one who constantly meditates upon you is the greatest of the yogis. Namo Vratapataye. Obeisance to the Lord of the Vrat, Shri Shiva's Ganas. Namo Ganapataye. Obeisance to Ganapati. Namaha Pramathapataye. Obeisance to the Lord of the Pramath, Shri Shiva's Ganas. Namaste Astu Lambodharaya Ekadantaya. Obeisance to the big-bellied with the one tusk. Vighna Nashini, the destroyer of obstacles. Shiva Sutaya, the son of Sri Shiva. Shri Varada Murtaye Namo Namaha. The embodiment of the giver of prosperity and boons, we bow to you. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji, Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Ganesha, I am going to be worthy of your attention. With complete attention on our Muladhar, let us pray with all our heart. Shri Ganesha, please make me innocent so that I am in your attention. So I am worthy of your attention. Shrimataji, you who are Shri Ganesha, please give me wisdom and discrimination. Shri Ganesha, on this day, please be kind and merciful and forgiving, so that you can manifest within us. Shri Ganesha, please let all the hypocritical things, all our conditionings, all the wrong ideas that we have, all the wrong life we have had, just disappear like thin air. Shri Ganesha, please let the beautiful qualities of innocence manifest through us. Shri Ganesha, please give us the divine wisdom. Let us say this one more time. Shri Ganesha, please give us the divine wisdom and remove all the shadows that are casting over the innocence within us. Again, continuing to keep our attention completely on our Muladhara chakra, we will now take the 12 holy names of Sri Ganesha. The one who says or even listens to these 12 names at the beginning of learning, marriage, or entering or exiting in battle, or at the times of difficulties, faces no hurdles. Sumukhash Chaika Dantash Chikapilo Gajakarnaka Lambodarash Vikato Vignanasho Ganadheep Dhumraketur Ganadhyaksho Bhalachandro Gajanana. We will now take the 12 names with short mantras. You are the one whose face is handsome and auspicious, Shri Sumukha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sumukha Namo Namaha. You are the one who has one tusk, Shri Ekadanta. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ekadanta Namo Namaha. You are reddish brown in color, Shri Kapila. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kapila Namo Namaha. You are the one who has elephant's ears, Shri Gajakarnaka. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Gajakarnaka Namo Namaha. You are big-bellied, Shri Lambodara. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Lambodara Namo Namaha. You are huge, Shri Vikata. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vikata Namo Namaha. You are the destroyer of obstacles, Shri Vignanasha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vignanasha Namo Namaha. You are the leader of the Ganas, Shri Ganadheep. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganadheepa Namo Namaha. You are the grey-bannered Shri Dhumraketu. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Dhumraketu Namo Namaha. You are the chief of the Ganas, Shri Ganadhyaksha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganadhyaksha Namo Namaha. You are the one who sports the moon on the forehead, Shri Bhalachandra. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhalachandra Namo Namaha. You are elephant-faced, Shri Gajanana. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Gajanana Namo Namaha. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Let us meditate in silence on our Muladhara chakra for a few minutes, and we will listen to Shri Mataji's talk after that. We will now be listening to a talk given by Srimati from 1990 Ganesh Puja.
Jumping with a parachute. Ask any Indian, he'll say, you better do it. I'm not here to break my legs. That he understands with wisdom that my body is more important than anything else. What is this sensation for? The skiing, so many people have seen, they have lost their kidneys, they have lost their legs. They'll have artificial legs for skiing. This sensation comes as a great attraction for people who have no wisdom. It doesn't appeal to the wisdom. So the people who are wise don't take to stupid things. Though Shri Ganesha is the child, but he is the giver of wisdom. So we can say our children are the giver of wisdom if we keep them on the line of wisdom. You listen to them how they talk. How wisely they talk. Sometimes they have a conference with me and they tell me all about you people, what you are up to. And they take me into confidence completely and say that don't tell uncle or auntie, but we'll tell you this. And small things they say that auntie was wearing the sari you gave her and then, she put it on the ground. All little things they know. So sweet they are. See yesterday how they came rushing and kissed me, so sweet. But without them the world would have been like a desert without any flowers, So, Sri Ganesha has created you. Because of him you were born. He is the one who looked after you when you were in the womb of the mother. He is the one who saw to it that you are born at the right time. He is the one who has looked after your nourishment, everything. He is the one who has looked after your development of the fetus, of the brain and everything. All is done that by this great personality, Shri Ganesha. How much we owe to him? Apart from that, he gives us the basic wisdom. I mean, a villager, supposing you talk to a villager who is not exposed to all these nonsensical sensations, you will find him extremely practical and wise. There's a story that one villager was traveling by train with other boys who were very flamboyant and thinking that they were very smart. So they were trying to teach the man. So a boy asked a question to him. Now, if the butter is selling for 1 pound for a quarter of a pound, what will be the price of the egg in the next station? He looked at him. He said, all right, you tell me what? Then you cannot tell the price of the egg. Then can you tell me the price, can you tell me my age? He looked at him. He said, you must be 22. He said, how do you know? He said, I have a brother who is 11 years and he is half mad, but you are full mad. So an ordinary villager answered this smart fellow, and the smart fellow didn't know where to go. So, all this smartness and cleverness finishes off when it comes to innocence. Now many people have a feeling also that we have lost our innocence. That is something, an eternal quality you have got. You never lose your innocence. Maybe as clouds can cover the whole sky, maybe your ego and conditionings and your mistakes might have covered it, but it is always there. Always there. Only thing, it is for you to respect it. To behave in a manner that you respect your innocence. Not to feel shy about your innocence. Never. Your innocence itself is a power, and your innocence will definitely give you that wisdom by which you can solve all the problems without any difficulty. But in a deeper way, if you see, who is Sri Ganesha? He is the child of Adishakti. She created him from the Omkara. Now, Omkara is the Logos, as you call it. Is the first sound when Sadashiva and Adishakti separated for creation. That sound is used as Omkara, which are vibrations, which have light in it. They have all the causals of all the elements. Only on the right side. Then left side, it has the power of your emotions. In the center, it has the power of your ascent. So it's a very powerful deity we have. And he is playful. Children are seldom cruel. He is not cruel. But if anything is done against the mother, then he goes all wild. Then he punishes. And that is how the divine justice is brought to people. Thus, if we surrender to Sri Ganesh, he protects us, he gives us wisdom, he gives a proper understanding, the protocol of the mother. He does not know any other deity but his mother. He doesn't bother about any other deity but his mother. And he knows that she is the most powerful deity. And this is his wisdom, which must be imbibed. When you pray, you must try to imbibe that. For many people are still in the West anxious to copy other people, fall back into the wrong ideas, which have really kept them away from the truth. Thank God you all have come out of it. And when you see the hell into which the Western society has fallen, you try to understand and enjoy that you are at a different state altogether. But still among you there will be some who will be dangling. Try to pull them out, not to throw them inside and go also with them. If you sympathize with them, you will go down with them. Try to pull them out and tell them that you have to come out. It may be a little painful to them, doesn't matter, but they'll be saved. So you are here as saviors, and you have the power of Sri Ganesha, which is to be used. So today's puja is specially to be done with a prayer in your heart that Sri Ganesha, please be kind and merciful and forgiving that you manifest within ourselves. Let all these hypocritical things, all these conditionings, and all these wrong ideas we have, or all the wrong life we have had, should just disappear like thin air, and let the beautiful moonlight of your soothing qualities of innocence be manifested through us. Let us manifest these qualities. This is what is to be asked. Today is a great day. I am very happy we are in Austria, which I call is the country of divine weapons. It's a very wonderful country, as I told you before, that there is no fundamentalism here. It's very surprising. But I have discovered that in Austria there have been people from all over the world, and they have been married here. It's a small country, so they are all kept together. It's a very nice place, especially this place where we are. I heard that it's called as the Holy Land of Trial. And we also saw lots of grace falling down. With our eyes, everybody could see them, the grace coming down. There was no rain, but you could see the grace. Moreover, yesterday, the villagers remarked that this river overflows. The whole glacier comes down and this river overflows. But it did not. It kept to its maryadas. They are quite surprised how it has happened that it kept to its maryadas. This is one thing. And the second thing is they said that they have never heard such great, absolutely volcanic roaring of the clouds. They have never heard such reports before. And it was really remarkable. It rained so heavily, everything happened. And we are all right. Only in the central part of Sushumna I cleared out. Maybe because I had to walk through that. So I cleared out that part. But on the whole, all our programs went off very well. And we all enjoyed the last night's program. And the musician also lost all count of time. He played for 4 hours on his own. I thought he'll just play one raga. He went on and he wanted to play more. But then, thank God, he thought of the puja perhaps and he stopped it. So let us try to be innocent within us. Be proud that we are innocent. We need not be smart people. Smartness is your mental attitude. And innocence is your innate quality, which is connected with this all-pervading power. So may God bless you all.
Let us finish by taking the 3 Mahamantras. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Mahasaraswati Mahakali Trigunaatmika Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasrar Swamini Moksha Pradayani Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Bolo Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Ji ki Jai. Jai Shri Mataji. Thank you so much for joining this morning. I'll leave some music on. Whenever we're ready, let us all collectively bow down, raise our Kundalini and put ourselves into a bandhan. Jai Shri Mataji.